Welcome to A&M Education, College of Creativity and Technology. In this session, we will discuss about next two types of optical disc, that is digital versatile disc, that is DVD, and Blu-ray disc, that is BD. Digital versatile disc, that is DVD. DVD, initially called digital video disc. It is high capacity data storage medium. At first look, a DVD can be easily mistaken for a CD as both are plastic discs. The DVD's seven-fold increase in data capacity over the CD has been largely achieved by tightening up the tolerances throughout the predecessor system. In DVD, the tracks are placed closer together so that allows more tracks per disc. The DVD's track pitch is reduced to 0.74 micron, less than half of CD's 1.6 micron. The bits in which the data is stored are also a lot smaller, thus allowing more bits per track. The minimum bit length of a single layer DVD is 0.4 micron as compared to 0.834 micron for a CD. With the number of bits having a direct bearing on capacity levels, DVD's reduced track pitch and bit size alone give DVDs 4 times the storage capacity of CDs. An interesting feature of DVD is that the disk's second data layer can be read from the inside of the disk out as well as from the outside in. In standard density CDs, the information is always stored first near the hub of the disk. The same is true for single layer and dual layer DVD, but the second layer of each disk can contain data recorded backward or in a reverse spiral track. With this feature, it takes only an instant to refocus a lens from one reflective layer to another. On the other hand, a single layer CD that stores all the data in a single spiral track takes longer to relocate the optical pickup to another location or file on the same surface. DVD allows for double-sided discs to make easy the focusing of the laser on the smaller pits. Manufacturer used a thinner plastic substrate, hence reducing the depth of the plastic layer that the laser has to travel through to reach the pits. This reduction resulted in discs that were 0.6 mm thick, half the thickness of the CD. Since these thinner discs were too thin to remain flat and withstand handling, manufacturers bonded two discs back to back, resulting in discs that are 1.2 mm thick. This bonding doubles the potential storage capacity of a disc. The single-sided discs still have two substrates, even though one is not capable of holding data. Lastly, Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc is an optical storage device which is used to record and play back high-definition video and audio as well as store images and other data. It is developed by Blu-ray Disc Association, that is BDA. It uses blue-violet laser having shorter wavelength, that is 405 nm, than a red laser, that is 650 nm, used by DVDs. Due to this shorter wavelength, the laser can be focused more precisely on the small spot, therefore resulting in storage capacity 10 times that of DVD. Blu-ray discs are available in different formats. First, BD-ROM. It comes with pre-recorded content that can only be read. Second, BDR. It is a worm, that is write once read many type of disk on which you can record data only once. Third, BDRW. It is similar to BDR disk, but the difference is that it is rewritable. This means data can be erased and recorded a number of times on the same disk. Fourth, BDRE. It is also a rewritable, but it is used only for a high definition audio or video and television recording. Blu-ray discs are available in two sizes. Standard size, that is 12 cm, and mini size, that is 8 cm. Each disc can have either a single layer or dual layers depending on which the data storage capacity of the disk. For example, the storage capacity of standard disk with a single layer is 25 GB and with the dual layer is 50 GB. And the storage capacity of mini disk with a single layer is 7.8 GB and with the dual layer is 15.6 GB. Blu-ray disc allows not only recording of programs, but the programs can be manipulated also. One can edit the programs recorded on the disc or change their order. The user can also create playlists of the programs stored on disk so that they can be randomly accessed. It allows recording one program while simultaneously watching another program. Advantages of optical discs. First, optical discs possess large capacity to store data or information in the form of multimedia, graphics, and video files. They can store more data in less amount of space as compared to magnetic tapes and floppy disks. Second, the lifespan for data storage in optical discs is considered to be more about 10 to 20 years as compared to magnetic discs, which have a comparatively lesser lifespan. Third, optical discs hold more data recording density as compared to other storage media. Therefore, they have low cost per bit of storage. Fourth, optical disc is not affected by magnetic field. Fifth, it is physically harder to break or melt. Sixth, due to their small size and light weight, these discs are easily portable and stored. Disadvantages of optical discs. First one, optical disc is not as easy to write as a floppy disk. One needs to use both software and hardware for writing optical discs. Second one, they possess slow data access speed as compared to the magnetic discs. Third, the drive mechanism of an optical disc is more complicated than the magnetic and floppy disks.